Today I will show how to check the theme name of any website. To check this, let's get started. First, I have to go a website. You can see that this website, if you put here any URL of any website, then it will tell us that which theme name of WordPress. So I can check this with you can search any website, say this website best. If we go to this link, copy the link and paste here. Okay, then you can see this WordPress theme is rehab theme. This is the name of theme of this website. You can check this also. You can you can see this theme, which plugin uses in this theme. It also tell this website, so you can easily find the theme name and plugin, which plugin used in this theme. You can identify easily, very easily. If you want to check the theme name of any website in manually, then just go to view page source and Ctrl F, style .css. You can just style, then you can see the style sheet also indicate the theme name. You can see that there .com WP content theme rehab. You can check this, check the theme name in this way manually. So this is a very easy way to check the theme name of any website. Just go to the website, is it web WP, and paste, copy the link of, copy the URL of the website and paste here, analyze, click analyze website. Then you can see the theme name. Also you can find, or you can see the plugin, which plugin used in the theme. You can check easily. This is the process of checking the theme name of any website. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Also click the like button. Thanks for watching.